my name is Saffron and welcome to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I'm going to be opening my, I just got it in the mail today, my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus for the month of March 2022. It's like $28 per month and you get to choose 3 out of 5 products. The other 2 Ipsy chooses for you. And I just got this today. Today's Saturday, March 12th. Had a pretty busy day today. This morning I had to get up early because I had to go to Houston because I wear a special brand of shoes, and it's the only place I can get them. I mean, I can get them online, but you can't get them custom fitted online. So I have to go to a store in Houston to get them. I live like about an hour and a half from Houston. And I got 2 pairs of, I wear these shoes called Z coils. I got 2 pairs today. I got some new sneakers. Let me show you the other pair. They're very unique looking. This coil right here keeps absorbs shock, and it helps with foot pain. I have very flat feet, and I've always had problems with my feet, so I have to wear these special kind of shoes. And let me show you the other pair I got. I thought they were kind of cute. They're Mary Janes. I've been wanting them for a while. Here's the Mary Jane ones I got. I think they're pretty cute. And it's got the little spring. I thought these would be very nice dress shoes. I know they're not really trendy, but they help with my foot pain. They're kind of expensive, but they're worth it. They'll last you about 2 or 3 years. And then when I got home today, I got this. Got this. And I'm excited to open it. Let's see. Yeah, I've been gone all day. Went to go get new shoes and just kind of prowled around all day. I had a pretty good day. But open my bag up. And let me show you what the bag this month looks like. This is the bag for this month. It's kind of like a, to me it really doesn't fit March, but it's cute. To me it kind of reminds me of a Rubik's Cube or some kind of, I don't know, it looks like 80s to me. But let me see what the first product I got. And it's only got one product in the bag. The other products are outside the bag. And here's a little pamphlet for this month. Let me dim the light so I can see it. Here's a little pamphlet. I have kind of a glare. Let me dim the light some more. Sorry. There we go. It says Power Moves. That's the theme of this month. And it says Dynamic Skincare Duos. Talks about certain skincare products that work well together. It could come in handy, this kind of info, because, you know, there's so many ingredients in skincare that you don't, you know, one product might not work well with another product, so I guess it kind of helps with that. Most of the time I just throw these away, but, you know, I think this would help with people that kind of don't understand ingredients and how they work, so. Well, that's that. Let's see what the first product is. And I believe this is one Ipsy chose for me. And it's a probiotics balancing cleanser by So Clean. I never heard of this brand before. But let me see what the retail value of it is. $25. That's not a bad price. It's like a soothing cleanser. You massage damp or small size amount in wet skin and rinse it off, you know, you know how you work with cleanser. There's nothing really special about cleansers. It's just different ones do different things. Like, I don't know, you have your foaming cleansers and you have your more hydrating cleansers. And cleansers kind of work different, you know. But I'll have to try it out and see how it works. Let's see what other items we got. This is macadamia oil bread. I believe this is one I chose. And it's like, I believe it's like a body oil. You can use it for your hair and your body. Let's see. And it's glass packaging. Looks pretty nice. I'm probably going to use it in my hair. I use a lavender oil in my hair. And I just use after I wash my hair, I use a teeny bit of it. Just a hint of it. Put it in my hair and then kind of, work it in my hair and then brush it through. And then if I got anything remaining on my hands, I just rub it in because it's, you can use it for hair and body. So, instead of washing it off, you just, rub it into your hands and moisturize your hands. This is $28. I don't think that's a bad price for that either. It's a high quality macadamia oil. Use it for your body. You can use it on your skin. I really don't like oils on my skin. I don't mind serums, but like oils, my face is already kind of oily. It just doesn't help with it. But that's that brand, or that's that item. Let's move on to the next item. This is still in the bubble wrap. This eyeshadow palette that I chose. I don't really need any eyeshadow palettes, but out of the choices, this is what I liked. They give you a selection to choose from, and it's like maybe 4 or 5 products they have you choose from, and this is what I liked most of those out of my selection. Like when you select products for each month, you have like a little roll, like you have choice 1, choice 2, choice 3. You just kind of, out of the selections, you kind of have to choose. This month's selection for me, I think, was better. Last month, a lot of it just, it didn't fit my profile. Like, one of them was press-on nails, and I don't use press-on nails, and I've told them on the little profile thing that I don't really wear those. But, there's the palette, outside of the palette. Here's the colors. They look really nice, like nude tones. See the black one. There's a black one. It's like an ashy kind of black. And you can build it up, It'd be good for a smoky eye. What I would do is probably use it on my outer corner. And then, just kind of put it on my outer corner and then put something, put like a mid color right here. And then this corner I'd put like a, one of these glittery tones. Like I might put this in the middle. Or this would be a good transition shade to use in your crease. And then one of these shades I would use as a, for the inner corner. These all look pretty. This one looks pretty right here. What it looks like. Kind of a rose gold kind of tone. Where's it? There it is. Right there. I don't know if you really see it on camera, but there's the ethereal. It's really not picking up on camera, but it's really pretty palette, I think, and it'd work for it'd be a good everyday. I mean, you can go with the darker tones, or you could go with the lighter tones, have more natural look. Let me see what the retail value of that is. $35. That's I would say that's a fair price for it. And it looks like a good everyday palette. Let me see what the next product is. This is a wrinkle serum, and I believe Ipsy chose this for me because on my profile I'll put skincare is one of my most wanted items. So this is a Vita Bread C12. I've used this brand before and it's pretty good. Vitamin, is it just a wrinkle serum? And it has like a, I guess it's Korean skincare because it has like yeah, made in Korea. It has the little symbols on it. See? Symbols on it. I don't know if you can see it. But yeah. Now let me see what the value of it is. $72. That is the most expensive product I got in this bag I believe this month. And that's the packaging. And it feels pretty good quality. I mean, it feels heavy. Got a little pump and you apply it to your face. It feels nice. I'd have to try it. $72. I would never pay that much, but you know, if you get it in a box, you know, you try it out. May not buy it again, but at least you can try it out and you don't have to pay that price tag. Yeah, it's just a excuse me, a serum packed with firming peptides that boosts collagen production and help with skin discoloration. Cool. It would help with my, you know, sunspots if you have sunspots. Cool beans. Let me see what my last product is. I believe this is a liquid eyeshadow. Lucky Chick liquid eyeshadow. Like the box. It's in a gold color. Lucky Chick. Enriched with cucumber extract. Let's see what it looks like. And I thought it'd pair pretty good. Yeah, it'll go pretty good with my eyeshadow palette. Like the tones, you know. Yeah, I think it goes pretty good with it. It's like a little eyeshadow topper. I like these, you know. I guess I'm weird, but like I like glittery. See, my lips are kind of glittery. My eyes. Show my eyes. My eyes are kind of glittery today. I guess I'm a glitter gal. But there's what the little doe tip looks like. And there's a color right there. Let me dim the light so you can see it a little bit better. Yeah, it's pretty. It's kind of blinding, I guess. I think that'd be cute for the summer too. Kind of blend it out maybe a little bit. And that's pretty. But let me see the value of that one, that item. Let me see here. And I chose this product. $22. I would say that's a fair price. $20, you know, somewhere in that range. You know, it's something I might go out and buy. But as far as like paying $72 for something, no, or I don't know, anything past $20, not in my price range unless I just really, really love it. I'm not going to pay $72 for a face serum. That's just way out of my price range. But that's my bag this month. I thought it was pretty good. I thought this was a pretty good month. I think I'll use everything that I got. I mean, I don't wear eyeshadow that much, but I think I will, wear those colors. Those are very everyday kind of colors. And the hair oil, the body oil, I'll definitely use. This face serum, I'll definitely use. And what was the other item? Oh, the face cleanser. I'll definitely use that too. I'm glad I got stuff that, will be used. It's not going to be wasted. But thank you for watching. Please like, please subscribe. Please follow me on social media. Please join my Facebook group called Beauty and Beauty Boxes. I now have over 800 members, and it's growing. And I'm thinking about doing a surprise for when I do 1,000. When I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm thinking about having a surprise. Maybe even a possible giveaway. I just have to see. I kind of have something in my head working, but I'm almost thinking about doing a giveaway of something. I'm not going to reveal it just quite yet, but once I hit 1,000 viewers, or not viewers, but subscribers, I think I might possibly do a giveaway of some sort. I'm not going to give the specifics right now, but please join. Please help me get to 1,000, so maybe I can do that little giveaway. And thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a great day and have a good weekend. And I'll see y'all next time. Goodbye.